Coming up, Lee gets scared.
Don't, man, I want to get out. What you got your seatbelt on for? Don't play games. I've got to be paranoid now.
A Vitara is better at flying than landing, and the autonomous 4x4 finds a dig. Welcome back to some more scrap car content. Today we are once again going out in scrap vehicles and seeing how long they will last. We're just loading up the little Suzuki ready to go, and over here we have Matt in his Suzuki Vitara. Yeah, it is a Vitara. But we're going to take these scrap vehicles, see how long they last, and I'll introduce you to my vehicle. And here is my weapon of choice for the day. It's a TD5 Discovery. And this is pretty much how it come into us as a scrap vehicle. So this is how you do budget off-roading. we have rock sliders, we have snorkel, we have spotlights, and these wheels are what we've scavenged off of other vehicles that have come in. So should be a good day today. I'm not normally a Land Rover. I'm normally into these Japanese reliable stuff, but I thought I'd give this a go. I'm being brave this weekend. She's all stripped out, ready to go. She's even got some tunes. The heaters are heating up ready, and hopefully it will last more than one outing, but we'll see. We will see. Right, we're going to get them loaded up and we're going to head out to the pay and play site. What are you doing working on a Sunday?
We're not working.
Oh, we're not?
No.
Okay.
Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day, yes. I can't remember what we had on top last time. Yeah, as long as we're below 16.6, we'll be fine. It won't take out any bridges. Don't worry about the noises, just ignore them. How are we looking?
15.4. Plenty.
Ah, nowhere near. There we go, we are all loaded up. We've got the little Suzukis on there, we've got my TD5 on there, and we are all ready to go. We're not too high, so it will be all right. Anyway, we've got about a half an hour drive out there. So yeah, I'll catch you when we're there. Just some last minute fluid checks and minor adjustments going on. And then we should be good to go.
Okay. The poor guy built all this, now we haven't got to take it off-road.
No, he didn't.
Yeah.
Right, first outing in the Discovery. Oh. Are we in 4x4? What's the high, neutral, low? We should be in four-wheel drive.
We'll wait to find out.
We've got hill descent mode as well. Oh look, they're all lined up waiting for me. So we start it off easy in the little bowl.
Easy.
Oh, it's just so nice to be out in something that isn't tiny and Japanese and with some tyres. I'm just so used to road tyres. Something that sounds the bollocks as well. You took that wire away. this is nice and comfortable.
It's not exciting as a buggy though.
It's not as exciting, no, but that's because it's smooth, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like going out on a Sunday stroll.
Yeah. Do you know what? I just want to send it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I want to find something real gnarly and send it and see if it'll go up. But it's got to last us. No, that's nasty. It's got to last us.
The way you got to think of it, right? It's right now, it's all quite hard and nice and easy.
Yeah, I know. It'll get nasty later.
Later, it's going to be real bad.
See, that's... Matt's stuck already. Oh, look at the little machines go! Oh, Matt's got up there.
That little green machine, isn't it?
Yeah. It's good that... Oh, Matt's... No.
Uh-oh.
Matt's going again. That's real gnarly at the top of that one. I remember that one.
Yeah.
I don't know if I got any diff locks. Like, that's a jack up thing? I don't know. Oh. He done it.
Oh no.
Oh!
Get back up. Get back up. This wheel went rearing, spinning.
Huh? I quit. Let's see how he gets on. Go on! Oh, he done it! Why can't we get over anything?
Because it's a Landrover. Landrovers can.
What? Doesn't like the gnarly stuff.
Round it out, isn't it?
I think it's the wheels up in the arches, you know. Literally, my little chimney would piss this.
I know.
Frickin' Land Rovers are shit.
Yeah, it's like locking in. The back wheel's locking in.
Can we get up there? I don't know what I can get up and what I can't get up now. I'm so confused. As long as it's flat, we're okay. Oh, it's got up. Wow. There we go. Who'd have thought, eh? You can get up a hill. Right, let's stick to the tamer stuff until the tyres and the inner arches are worn down. Did you go over that?
A little bit fast, that.
Yeah. I was a little bit keen, but I needed the momentum.
Yeah. If you want your arches rolled, you know where to come.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's work on these arches a bit.
Yeah. Land Rovers are no, it's because it's because it needs a lift. The wheels are just jamming in the arches. I can't get up anything. Whoa, 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 whoa! Hold on! Right, you're both reversing.
Yeah, I'm reversing. That did something, got moved to this. That's it. Keep it going, on the red tree.
I know.
Keep on. This is a disaster. We're stuck. Unhook me.
Neither of you can get unhooked because you're tight.
That's what she said, hey.
Might put a dent in his wing.
Might have done. Well, I'm wondering what's got happened to the front of yours.
There's a bits of blue bumper down there. So the pushing people out didn't do such a good thing to the Land Rover. Mind you, it's given us some more clearance on the front bumper, so that's one thing. I really didn't want to break the headlight though. But we have got a winch bumper, so right, let's do some surgery. There we go, fixed, ready to go out again. Apart from the headlight, just don't look at the headlight. Right, we're going out for round 2 apparently. The green one's blown a diff. The silver Vitara is coming out.
We don't know for how long though.
We don't know for how long because it's overheating, and particularly had petrol leak, or was it just because the cap was missing?
We think it's because the cap was missing.
Well, the thing I'm really worried about is like, I'm just like that.
Oh yeah.
I haven't disarmed them.
No. Oh, I didn't think about that.
Yeah, you got one as well.
I know.
Even big bumps, like big bangs and stuff.
Oh no. Like,
You're like real paranoid now.
Oh yeah. I was alright a minute ago until you mentioned it.
A broken nose and an airbag in your face.
I know, yeah. You sure they haven't been disarmed? Or?
They haven't, no, we've not taken the fuses out or nothing.
Oh
Down in the jungle, the very big jungle. Oh, this isn't good. Oh, this isn't good. This isn't good. Oh, tree. Oh, tree!
He's going to get the tow rope out and we're going to be like,
Oh no!
oh no.
I'm stuck too!
You don't deserve this.
Oh, okay. Ready?
Let it go!
Oh, mate.
Airbag!
Airbag! Mate, get them unplugged, please.
Huh?
You need to get the fuse out ASAP. I'm not liking this one bit now.
It's just an airbag.
You shouldn't have said anything. They still... I can't swear.
What's wrong? It's just an airbag.
But they hurt. No, fuck off. No, don't. Don't, man. I want to get out.
What have you got your seatbelt on for?
Don't play games. You got to be paranoid now. No.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I don't want that airbag exploding on me, folks.
You put your seat back. Oh yeah, this was the bit that he wanted to go down, wouldn't he? He's definitely stuck in there. Shall I give him a push?
Entirely up to you. We got no one to get us out. Oh, we're stuck.
We're stuck. Jamie! We need a help! He can't even get out!
Keep going, take that
We're out! Woohoo! Whoa, where are they going? I don't like where they're headed.
Commitment. Yes.
Oh, right.
Commitment.
Living your next getaway, another getaway holiday. With your mates heading
An extra £500 on top of your part exchange. You can choose from 20,000 cars.
Will. We're gonna go in a push it. You will get the first Get a brake sign there.
I think I'm gonna quit. Undefeated.
No, so good. The headlight, you've lost the plug. Our heating problem.
Put it in third. Watch it go, film. Oh, yes. You know, let me out. What was that?
Tree.
Oh, your backlight's gone. Not waiting for no one.
Nope.
That's sinking sand in there, mate. He ain't getting out. Now we're stuck.
Yeah. We weren't gonna do that, were we?
I know, I can think about it.
This is when you regret not putting a towing eye on, attaching a rope to the towing eye
There's
before.
something nice about this. Well, I think I'm on.
Are you okay there, Matt?
I'm going downwards. I might need the chain to get out myself in a minute.
It's like a comedy sketch, isn't it?
I'll get a bit.
Harder, faster.
That's quite a big ditcher back. Well done, Kev.
No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now you got to do your nemesis. Now you have to do your nemesis.
That was good. Huh? Can't believe I got up that. Yeah, I was well impressed. No, never, ever, ever. No, 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 no.
Oh yes, where's the other little Vitara? That's how he needs a push. He needs a push.
Could you not manage it? Could you not manage?
No, I tried to, but
Looks like we're pushing two.
Yeah.
No one in that other one. Oh no!
Well, I think that was the point of impact, and we solved one problem by creating another one.
that was one of those self-driving cars, Kev. Not well.
So, well, I was pushing him and I thought someone was in it, and apparently not. Oh, jeez.
Oh shit.
Oh fuck. Can you just nudge him down? Yeah.
I reckon you could draw over that.
He was there
I reckon, yeah, one more should be alright. She wants to get the steering wheel.
She does want.
Give it another little shunt into the ditch.
Give her a shunt.
Just a little one, but you can go as hard as you like.
Oh, it's stuck in there, stuck in the thing, it ain't gonna go. It feels good. Exhaust just moved a hell of a lot. Oh, she's golden. Start her up!
That's it, start her up.
She's golden!
She's going.
Drive her out.
Go on then, you can drive out now.
I don't reckon it's moving.
Go on, keep giving it some.
Bit more tugging, buddy. Yeah, give it.
Keep giving them, keep helping them. Ah, sir, keep helping.
Right. That's where we're aiming.
There she goes.
Window's still holding. I can't push anymore. Oh no. Oh, wait for it.
Wait for the bump from behind. They're waiting for the bump from behind.
I bet the back is wrecked now.
Yeah.
With those bull bars.
I've definitely got no power steering anymore.
Have you not?
It's rough.
What's that?
ABS.
Well, you want your traction control and ABS off.
Yeah.
you
I've got nothing.
Maybe put it in park.
First, number 1, 2 and 3. Take it out of...
I'll push you around to the truck.
Battery's all right. Yeah, but it's all right now. It starts on its own. But it's leaked. It's lost all its hydraulic fluid, so I don't know if that's gearbox related.
I won't go right up behind the truck. You want to get them two on first.
Yeah.
Not to kill it right at the end.
She's a little more battle worn than she was. We're just loading up the other vehicles. She's definitely sat a little bit lower than she should be. Is she nice to drive? Oh, bless it. Poor thing. That was mint this morning.
Got one of these upside down springs.
Wow. Oh, that's a shock absorber. We've lost all drive with the Discovery because we've snapped the pipe down here, which is hydraulic. So we think that's to do with the gearbox as well. And so hopefully, if we put a joiner on that, join that back together, get some hydraulic fluid in it, hopefully this will be out again next time. It's still running fine.
That's still positive.
Yeah. Go on, Jamie, do you want to give it a push? Keep going, 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 keep going. There we go. She's on there, she's still running. She's a bit battered and a bit war wound, but she's all right. She drives lovely, doesn't she?
Beautiful.
We're going to need the winch bumper off the other one, most definitely, because we've got zero protection on the front anymore. Not sure what happened to the headlights, but it's okay. We've got lights up there, so it's fine. Yeah, no, it's all right. The back's fine, apart from missing a light. And we seem to have worked on the arches as the day's gone on. The front arches, they've survived all right. They've rolled themselves a little bit. The front bonnet is lifted a little bit, but that's not too bad. Headlight's gone from this side again. We're not going to worry about that. But inside, it still just looks like a Discovery. It's fine. Rock sliders are all good. Underneath is all good. It's not battered it underneath. I don't know how. There we go, guys. Another fun day out off-roading. Definitely going to bring the Landy back again when we've made some modifications and a few little fixes to it. Big thanks to Lee T for coming out again and doing some filming, being my cameraman. He's done a fantastic job. Obviously, thanks to Matt, Dan, Jamie for joining us again and making it entertaining, because without them it wouldn't happen. And of course, a massive thanks to Trent's for letting us do this. Don't forget, if you've got a scrap car or you want any car parts, contact Trent's. I will leave their link in the description. So yeah, I don't know how many parts are going to be available for these, mind you, but if you want any cheap tyres or batteries, then contact them. Obviously, they've got the auction that runs every single Monday, salvage auction, so there's that as well. So yeah, just got to give them a massive plug because they let us do this and have so much fun. So yeah, massive thank you. Anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. It's been a brilliant day. I'm glad I've been able to enjoy it with you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for plenty more scrap car content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!